Hello guys, today it's Teken here, and I've come to remake the video about my update API checker thingamajig. Oh, version checker as it's called. I'm redoing this because the last video was kind of crap and I stumbled a lot, and I'm probably going to stumble a lot in this video, so be patient. Also, there was an issue with the zoom in and you couldn't see half of what I was showing you. So let's get down to business. Here's the form page. Yeah, simple download. Explains how to use it. It even tells you how to create the HTML file which is needed for the update checker to work. But we're going to move on to the code side to start with. Okay, here's one of my mods, which is the last mod I demonstrated on. But to call it, as you can see down below, I've already got some, so just going to comment that out so it doesn't get any errors or anything. So you do, actually to install this, all you need to do is download the class file, put it inside your jar. When you decompile, it should decompile into a nice Java file, and then you just have to call the methods I'm just about to tell you. So you need to do Teken's version, is that checker dot checker, and then it's going to ask you for a couple of different things. First thing is the name of the mod. That's because the process is automated, so it's just gives you the ability to have custom names in it. So you know, it's always easy. This mod's my XP Bank mod, so I'm going to call it XP Bank. Second one's the version. This mod's currently on 3.4, but for the principle of showing you what happens when it's out of date, I'm going to put this down to 3.0, or there. If I can type correctly, 3.0. Now you've got these two links next. Actually no, we're going to this last. This last one is MC. It just needs a copy of the Minecraft. It's so that it can shut Minecraft down on its own. Because this mod doesn't actually doesn't have any ties into Minecraft in any way. It doesn't use mod loader, it doesn't use any of those lot. It just runs inside it without actually being affected by it in any way. So right, we're going to need to send it Minecraft. So I'm going to use modloader to send it to it. So modloader.get Minecraft instant. Okay, these last two we needed. You know what? I'll do this version doc one last because that's probably the one which needs explaining the most. Second one, this one here called download. Now, this is the link you want to send it to when you want it to download the new one. If you actually look on my ones, I send mine to AdFly links. That way I know how many people are clicking on it and how many people actually update via the updater. Really sorry guys, I've got a bad throat today. But also I'm going to copy my AdFly link from here. But this, you can put your form link in here. That's generally what I do. I put a form link. You could put a file link in here, but it's probably not for the best. All it does is it opens it up in a browser, but you can put your file link in. You can put, it's just a web link to wherever you damn well want, really. I like to put my AdFly link in. Now here, the version doc. Now this is the whole thing which makes everything work. So this link needs to be to a HTML file. Needs to be. You know, there's no arguing with that. It has to go there. And what this does is it opens the file, reads the content of it, and checks if the content match. So as you can see, this line here says we're at version 3.0. So I'm going to open up the file here. Sorry about that. As you can see, look, this says we're at version 3.4, which is what the current version is. And just to check, look, here's the page source. This bit's put in by my hosting automatically, so you can ignore that bit I've just highlighted. The line which you need to look at is line 1 here. It says version, and then it does. I can never remember the name for that. But then you have your point. Then you have your values. Now this can be an int value, but it will accept a double value, and I find it's just easy if you're doing mods to do them by doubles. So you can have 0.3 point whatever. Actually, I'm not sure you can, but anyway, you can have point values. So what it will do is it will open up this file, read line 1, and then check it against this value here. So if I currently save and now run this, here, see, we get this message here. XP Banks is out of date, would you like to update it now? If I click cancel, it will go away and you continue playing Minecraft as normal. If I click OK on the other hand, it opens up the add file link, Minecraft shuts down, and then you can download it. This just means, I actually use this a lot, because it means when I send out an update, everyone who uses my up-to-date versions of my mod will know exactly when to update it. If you're using a version which isn't up-to-date, for instance, say I'm on 3.5, and you don't want to update to 3.5, you're on 3.4, you will always get this message when you start Minecraft. But it's very good. It's very nice because you can actually then get hundreds of downloads. I literally, whenever I send an update out, I get hundreds of downloads a couple of days afterwards. It's great. So, anything else you want to say? Nope. That's it. This has been Teken on YouTube. Oh, by the way, you may recognise me. You may not. If you've been sent over from HDA's channel, you don't need to listen to this part. But everyone else who doesn't, I do tutorials with a friend of mine, HDA Virus. Search for on YouTube. I'll put a link in the description below. Yeah, if you want to learn to mod, look at his. I help him with the more complicated tutorials. He does the simple stuff, but he needs me for the help. Really. Anyway, guys, thanks you watched this. Like and comment below, things like that. If you want, go to the forums, put suggestions in what could come into the version checker. At the moment, it's a basic level, but I'm up for suggestions. If they're good, they'll probably go into the vinyl check. They'll probably go into the versions. Thanks, guys, for watching.